This is not a dream. This is a tropical paradise that could be all yours.
An elevated ocean, mountain and jungle view lot, ready to manifest your dream Costa Rican home.
Surrounded by rainforests teeming with wildlife, crystal rivers, hidden waterfalls, and winding jungle trails.
The views are simply spectacular.
The lot sits in a sought-after gated community offering peace, security, and a warm, welcoming neighborhood atmosphere.
This flat, elevated lot with magnificent ocean, mountain, and jungle views is proudly presented by RE/MAX. We sell paradise. And our agent Ben, who is ready to provide more information or guide you on a personal tour of this exceptional property. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in paradise.